In this section, we will look at the Uniform Stock page. This module helps administrators manage uniform purchase orders and maintain the organization's uniform inventory. To create a new purchase order, click New Purchase Order. Enter the order date. Select the supplier. And provide the invoice number and invoice date, if available. The Remarks field can be used to record any additional notes related to the purchase order. Add the required uniform items by selecting the uniform and specifying the quantity. Multiple items can be added using the Add Row option. The system automatically displays the total items and total quantity for the purchase order. Once all the details are entered, click Create Purchase Order to save the record and update the uniform stock. You can view the details of added order in the list. The list displays a list of all purchase orders along with details such as the order number, supplier, order date, invoice number, number of items, and the total quantity purchased. The search option allows administrators to quickly locate a purchase order using the order number or supplier name. The View option displays the complete details of a purchase order. It includes information such as the supplier, order date, invoice number, invoice date, total items, and total quantity. The Item Details section provides the uniform name, category, size, unit price, and purchased quantity, allowing administrators to verify the complete purchase information. The Delete option allows administrators to remove a purchase order when required, ensuring that purchase records remain accurate and up to date.